Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the gorgeous card we're making today. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the stamping. I've got things set up in my Stamparatus. Stamps that I'm going to use is this one called Blossoms in Bloom, and we're going to use Happy Birthday. And we're stamping in Rich Raspberry because it's the colour I've chosen for the die cut. So just going to stamp. I think I'll stamp it once again just to make sure I've got a nice impression. That'll do me. Close up my stamp pad, take that out, give everything a little clean up using my simple chamois if I can get it out. There we go. And then we can take this out. I always take my stamp out of my Stamparatus before I move it aside, otherwise I am liable for sure just to leave it in there and put it away. I know me, unfortunately. Okay, so let's start building our card. The card base is Rich Raspberry, and this is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of the Peaceful Prince Designer Series paper, and this is a freebie during celebration. So during celebration, for every £45 of goodies you buy, you can get a free item, and this is one of the free items I got, so I'm using it. Isn't it gorgeous? The side is the deer. Inside is just this lovely check pattern, so it can be used for anything. It doesn't have to be Christmas. Okay, so that's what we've got. Now I'm going to bring in my silicone mat because I want to do some gluing. This is my die cut. Now I cut that from this die called the Many Layered Blossoms die. I use this big one here, and I've cut this out of Rich Raspberry, and I'm just going to stick it down now onto my card base using some Tombow. Tombow's great for this because it can get into all these nooks and crannies, which makes life so much easier. I'm sorry if you can hear the birds outside, but I've got the window open because I'm filming this actually end of July, and it's really humid where I am. We've had some rain this morning and we're due more again, and the water is just sitting in the air. Okay, so we've got all our Tombow, so now we are going to place this down however we want it. I think something, let's see, how do we want to place it? Maybe like that. And then I find it easier just to go in from the reverse and give it a good press down like that. Okay, and that's what we've got so far. So back to our stamped image. I'm just going to cut this out with my trimmer quickly. And as you've seen me do this before a gazillion times, I don't measure anything for this. I just go with what looks pleasing to the eye. Okay, so I cut that out. There you go. So now I have some of this. This is the gorgeous, this is gorgeous paper. This is again a freebie from Celebration. This dazzling paper. And actually I'm going to use some Tombow. I'm just going to mat it on here because there's so much texture on this paper. I want it to stick well, that's why I'm going to use Tombow instead. And then I'm just going to cut it out quickly freehand. I don't get myself too much in a tiz about it being absolutely exactly whateverly. So now I'm going to put this on some dimensionals, so let's get those out. A goodly amount. You can see here it's a little bit skew, that'll do. See, I'm not precise, I don't think you need to be. This is meant to be handmade, it's not meant to be machine made, where everything looks exactly the same as the next one, like a robot. So there we go, there are the 2 cards. What do you think? Love them, hate them? Let me know in the comments. If you do like it, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this card, supply list, links to my online shop, all that good stuff, it'll be on the website, on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!